Hey guys, welcome to Basic Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube thumbnails. This is something most people who are starting YouTube have no idea about, and it's basically just the cover picture of the video that you're posting to YouTube. And many people want to know, how do I do this? What software do I need? Do I need Photoshop, etc., etc.? Well, in this video, I'm just teaching you how you could do that using Microsoft's PowerPoint. So this is the thumbnail that I created for a video that I posted on my other channel. I'll provide the link if you want to check that out. And this is the original picture that I took. So I'm just going to walk you through the steps I used to create this thumbnail. So first thing, I'm going to insert my picture. I'll choose the best one, probably. It doesn't matter, I'll just choose this one. I'm just going to crop out the parts that I don't need. And I'm just going to remove the background. It's in the Format tab. There's the option to remove the background of your picture. Okay, so I'm basically finished. It's not a perfect map out of my body, but for this video I wouldn't bother to go into full detail. So what I used was a black background, so I go into format, select format background and choose the color to black. Boom. And I used the heart emoji. I should have found that before so I could add it into this video. So let's just use this smiley face for a while. If you look at this thumbnail, you notice there is a kind of outline of everything. What that basically was, this was a glow effect. So I'm going to Format tab, click Picture Effects, and click on Glow. And more glow colors, I chose white. And I'm going into glow options, and I just changed up the size of it, and I did the same with the emoji, well in this case the shape. So shape effects, glow, choosing white, and then go back into the something like that. That basically makes the image more appealing to the internet. I don't know why, for some reason, but it does make it stand out. And then basically you just add your text or whatever it is, and you have an awesome thumbnail. You add your text, you add your logo or whatever, and you have yourself a really great thumbnail. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out that video, I'll put the link at the end of this video and in the description for those who are interested in checking it out. So like this video, leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.